Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. I will be showing you step by step how to record in FL Studio. Let's dive in. So first thing first, let's change our tempo. For this project, we'll be working with 100 BPM. So by doing so, you come here, you change it to whatever fits what you want to work on. So on this project, we are using 100. So we set it to 100, and then we'll move on to change it from pattern to song. If you're working mostly with recording, you choose song. So now we'll move on. So mainly we'll be working with playlist, checking our title bar, this playlist. So sometimes you might not see this, you click on this icon up here. So once you click on this, it will bring out the playlist to this playlist. So our next thing now to do is we'll confirm our sound card, your sound interface. So you go to option, audio setting, then go through this. So you check for your sound card. If peradventure your sound card is not here, you can use the FL Studio, which I will be making use here. Then we change our sample rate. So we change it to 44 or 48 depending on your system capacity. Then the buffer length, make sure it's on the lowest so that you won't have this latency, delay and all that. So setting that, we'll move to the next thing. So here we are back to our playlist. So the next thing to do is to take note of these tracks. We have some tracks on mix already. These are 1 to 5. So before you start your recording, you need to be sure to know where your next insert will be, so as to be able to mix it on your mixer. So now we are adding a new audio track. By going here, you can see we have 6 now. So if you check, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Then if you check, automatically it has created 6. If you go to our mixer now, from here, this is where you get to mixer. You see that automatically is on 6. So the 1 to 5 you saw on the channel rack on the mixer already. So we're on point. We move on. So we have our insert 6, which is on the mixer already. So if you want to record, we'll record on this insert 6. Then you click on this. Then you select your mic. If you are using second mic of your interface, so with this one I'll be using 1 because my mic is connected to the 1. So after that, you click on record, then play to start the recording. So once you click on play, after the count of 3, start recording, just as it's doing now. So to stop, we click on stop, and then we have our audio recorded. I don't have any mic here while I'm doing this tutorial, so you won't be seeing anything, but I'll definitely use a sound later just to tell you what you will get when you're recording. So moving further, this is the record button. You make sure it's always there, it's always on, active, and then I'll be showing you more ways to insert more tracks here on your playlist. So now you need to make sure this is turned off. Yes, make sure it's turned off. If not, you'll be hearing yourself. So now let's try this off. Okay, so now it's recording. The essence of that is actually just so while you are singing, you won't hear yourself. That's the essence of that, putting that off. So that's that. So inserting another track, just click on left click on that, and then you have another insert. You can see automatically we have 7 that will be on our mixer. So you select, don't forget, always put the next or previous one off. You see the way I just did it now. So you make sure you put the previous one off before the next one, then you continue your vocal. So click record, play, start. So it's recording now. So the essence of this is just when the artist cannot say the whole verse at once or at a go, so you can just create different tracks. So now let's assume the artist is still not able to take it at once, so we'll continue by going back to the first insert, and then we'll continue from there. and then click on record again. So let's assume this is just our verse. So the next one we'll be doing, I will be working assuming the artist wants to do a vocal or a backup rather. Sorry, the artist wants to do a backup. We insert another one separately. So by clicking on this plus, click on it, or you right click. If you right click, automatically it creates it, but if you left click, you have to go to add track. So I actually right click to do this first. So now I will need to input my mic, choose the mic I will be using. Don't forget, I'm yet to off the first track. I need to off that mic, but I don't want to put it off just for us to see this experiment. Okay, so I'll click record now, start. Now you'll notice I'm doing double recording, which is not what we wanted. So that's the essence of you always make sure you put off the previous one, put it off before you start the next one. So by doing the correction, I have to put this off. But then before then, let's delete this and then restart again. Delete, just right click on it and delete. Then we are back to the previous. So we put it off and then we put this on and start the recording. Let's say this is our backup. Or something like that, so you can just leave that all through. Before the end of this video, I'll be showing you a full professional way of doing this and then being organized. You get? So now let's assume we have our verse, we have our backup, so that's just everything now on our mixer, so it will be easy for you to mix, add effects, do whatever you want to do on the mixer. Do you get it? That's the essence of this. So what I will be showing you now is I will be putting a audio file on each of these tracks for you to be able to see the effect on the mixer. You get? So now I have to take all this out. So I have a sample here that I'll be using, so I'll put this, yes, on track 1 or track 6. Let me choose this 7, then this last one. So now I'll play them together. Let's assume these are vocal we've recorded, so that you'll be able to see the effect on the track. You can see the first one started, then the next one, then the third one. So if you have done exactly what I've done here, definitely your vocal, this is the way they'll be sounding now all together. Do you get it? So that's the essence of that. So basically that's just all you need. So that's just basic thing about recording in FL Studio. So we'll be going into the professional way, how you can be more organized and then be professional about it. So I'll be showing you that. We'll be diving into that now. So let's take all this out. So we start. So I take that too. So let's start from the 6. It starts the insert 6. Let's start from that. So I'll rename this to chorus. Let's assume we want to do a professional recording for a song. So we name this a chorus. I'll change the color to green, preferably. You can change to any color that you feel it's okay. So that's that. Then the next one I'll do with verse. I'll rename it. Don't forget, just right click on any part of the mixer on the track, then you click on whatever option you want. So we are renaming, change the color. So that's what we are doing basically here. So we do the same thing, right click, then you go to rename, give it a name. So this third one I'll be using it as Ad-Libs backup. So I'll change the color too. So I forgot to do this, so just right click, color. So that's just it. Now we'll start. We have our chorus, our verse. So let's start with chorus. We can also do the same thing here. this is just to show you that whatever you do on track, on playlist, you also reflect on the mixer. So let's just change the color of this insert for you to be able to see that. You see this orange. Now if you go back to our mixer, you notice that it has also changed to orange. So that's the essence of using insert tracks on the playlist. So you'll be able to change whatever you change here will also be changed on the mixer. And also you'll be able to mix. That's the main essence of you connecting all this to your mixer. Make sure it's connected, so you'll be able to mix your vocal on your mixer, because most of your mixing will be done on your mixer. So let's start by putting our mic 1 record. Start. So we assume we are recording our chorus. So whatever, I'm just using that, don't mind me. So I still have another chorus that wants to do under that same chorus. Probably maybe a call and respond. I'll do another recording on the same. I won't go to another line. You see, it's a continuation. It's just like this sound now. This sound I just did now will be under the sound I did earlier. You see, so I don't need to go to another track because it's still the same chorus. So I'm doing another one, or probably if this is a choir effect you are trying to achieve, you have to arrange everything accordingly. So that's the essence of this. So your chorus will be on the same line, you get. So we off it because we are done with our chorus. So let's move to the verse. So let's now assume we want to do verse now. So verse will be a continuation of our chorus. It won't be under the chorus. I hope you get what I'm doing here now. So it won't be under the chorus. It will be a continuation. After chorus, the verse continue. So let's assume this is our verse now. Record, play. Da 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 da. So you get it. So that's that. If I want to continue the verse, continuation of the verse, you can still do the same thing. Just make sure it's still on that track. Click on record again. You can see I put the head. So record, play. So let's assume the artist is not able to take the record or the track or the verse rather at once. So you can just continue. You see, that's the verse. So if you still want to continue, you can go ahead and then still continue on that same verse. So now let's move to the backup. So let's assume we are done with our chorus, we are done with our verse. So we want to add a backup, add libs. So we'll start record, play. Just sa, ma, go, off, Joe. Don't mind me, I don't sing. So you get what I'm trying to achieve here. So we'll do our ad-libs to everything from the beginning to the end. So let's assume we still have another ad-libs we want to add. To make sure it's on that ad-libs, just click on record. FL Studio will automatically create another track for you, which will be under the same track. Do you understand? So all your sound now will be linked to all these three. So that's just the essence of all this. So with this, you'll be able to record professionally and then be more organized. You can easily zoom in, zoom out with this stroke. With this screw arrow, you can just move. So basically, this is just the professional way to record. So you can zoom, you can minimize, you can spread, you get. So if you want to zoom in, zoom out, you use this. So just click on it. You can also use the keyboard using the shortcut. You hold on your control, you use your mouse, scroll up, scroll down using the roller mouse to zoom in and zoom out. That's the shortcut for that. So you can also use this just the way I'm doing it. Like, then another thing you can do just to be more organized is probably using the cuts. You cut unwanted parts and leave the needed parts. You get it now. So by doing that, you go to the knife icon, you see where, then you just zoom in and then cut. So you can also click on C, just C on your keyboard. If you turn your mouse to, you can see that. So if you turn your mouse to knife, then you cut. So once you are done, click on B, shortcut, or you go back to this. So you just erase that part. You get that. So the same thing, go to the next one. Just click on C on your keyboard. Your mouse will change to cut knife automatically. Instead of you going back to the up here, you don't need to do that. So once you just click on C, you have that icon on your mouse. Cut. So arrange whatever you need to arrange. So these are just the basic, and then you can also silence any parts at any time. Let's assume you made a mistake on these ad libs. Just click on the silence. It's also called mute. So if you go on the icon, there is mute. So you click on that. The shortcut for that is T. Once you click on T on your keyboard, your mouse will turn to mute icon, and then you can click on any part of your vocal to silence that or to mute that. So that's just the essence of that. So if there's any other part you would like me to put more light on, you can always comment below this video or message me privately. So there are more to this anyway, there are more to this, but as a coming up artist or a coming up producer, I believe this will give you more edge. So let's assume we want to do a rate track. I'll assume this is our new beat. You put your beat under, our vocal is up, and then you can play everything at once and then hear. So I just inserted this so you go to hear. Feel that? So imagine you have your vocal ahead of all this track. You get. So this is just a basic thing you need to know. You need to record in FL Studio, any version. For more info like this, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment.